What is creativity? This is a question I get asked very often. 3 ways to think of creativity. 1, think of it like a mixing pot of all of your thoughts. Just imagine you were cooking something, throwing in a stack of different ingredients, mixing them differently to see what pops up. It's a mix of experiences, thoughts, and curiosity. Number 2, think of creativity like connecting unlikely dots. You can almost imagine it's like building something with Lego pieces that you've never connected before and looking back and going, didn't think that would work, but that's kind of interesting. The third thing about creativity is to embrace curiosity. Here's the thing, most people worry that they're not creative. Rather than worrying about being creative, think more about, am I being curious? The more curious you are about how something is built or why it's this or what it looks like and what could be combined, that's when you find that the creative juices just start to flow. So remember, creativity isn't a puzzle to solve, but more it's a puzzle to play with. If you can keep that mindset, your creativity will flourish. Thanks for watching.